So we are going to do the bleaching of cotton material by using sodium chloride. So for bleaching with sodium chloride, we have to take sodium carbonate along with sodium chloride. So the initial weight of the cotton material is found as 4.9 grams. So this is the calculation of bleaching of cotton material with sodium chloride. So the initial weight of the cotton material is found as 4.9 grams. So the sodium chloride of 2.5% on weight of material is to be taken, that is found as 0.098 grams, and sodium carbonate of 1.1% on weight of material, that is 0.049 grams to be taken. The ml ratio 1:20, that is 98 ml. So the temperature of bleaching to be maintained is 90 degrees Celsius, and the time of 16 minutes we have to do bleaching. – 98 ml of water has to be taken. 0.09 grams of sodium chloride has to be taken. 0.04 grams of sodium carbonate has to be taken. The required amount of sodium chloride has to be added to the bleaching bath. And also the sodium carbonate has to be added. So the cotton material has to be get wetted with water, and it should be subjected inside the bleaching bath, and it should be subjected for bleaching for around 60 to 90 minutes. After bleaching, the bleached cotton sample has to be subjected with hot wash with hot water, and then it should be washed with cold water. After washing, the sample has been subjected for drying in hot air oven. So the final weight of the cotton material after bleaching is found as 4.87 grams. The final weight of the cotton material is found as 4.8 grams. So the percentage of weight loss after bleaching with sodium hypochlorite is found as 2%.